Hmm. 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 È dopo. Hmm. Ah. A cheesy chicken burger. A double pate. Okay. Mm, mm. Ah, that's about it. That's about it. Yeah, that was KFC right there. Mozambique, Africa's KFC. As you can tell, I judge after I eat. Yeah, I don't just judge before I haven't tasted the food. Yeah, this guys, come on. Maybe I'm obsessed with KFC. Yeah, maybe I'm obsessed with KFC. It's just like, yeah, they always eat the spot. You feel me? They always eat the spot. I loved it. I loved it. I love the beat of it. The beat end of it. The rap, the rap was dunked, rapped right there, bruh. That was sweet, a good, spicy. Like I enjoyed it from the top to the bottom, but I couldn't finish it because I wanted to taste this amazing burger right there, a double patty. Mm? Look at this, bruh. This burger, I love the fact that it's toasted, and it's well toasted, well seasoned with the meat is well seasoned though. I love that because when I eat it, I have to taste the meat, which is actually something good. Yeah, I enjoy it. The buns are nicely soft, well toasted. The chips, on the other hand, is just it always slaps. Yeah, I don't know where did I put my I didn't put my chili salt in it, but it actually slaps. Yeah, it slaps. All the feel me. Yo, that first Korean burger was the shit. But without further ado, I'll catch you guys on the next episode here. Yeah, for those who have subscribed, much love. Appreciate you guys. For those new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, ring the bell so that you should be notified whenever your boy pull up with another interesting video, please. Yeah. So guys, I'll catch you guys on the next episode.